Amber is in big trouble after buying a mansion. She has filed for bankruptcy. One of the most unexpected revelations to come out of the ongoing Depp v. Heard defamation trial's media circus may have been revealed in the very first seconds of Amber Heard's opening testimony. In what has been called the civil trial of the century, Johnny Depp and Amber Heard have revealed a great deal about themselves to all of us. The Aquaman actress confirmed that her full name is Amber Laura Heard and informed the world that she presently resides in Yucca Valley, California. But where did she get the money for buying such a mansion? Let's find out in this video. The 36-year-old actress made the decision to leave Hollywood and relocate to a city known for its hippie community and wildlife, despite the fact that the house's design elements give it a hippie chic appearance. According to reports, Amber and Una are planning to relocate to Joshua Tree, a hippie community in California, to a $1 million three-bedroom family home. As Johnny Depp appeared at an event in the UK to play for his fans, Amber decided to unwind at an expensive desert retreat due to the stress she claimed she experienced during the 6-week trial she had with him. Unexpected? Indeed. The glitzy Hollywood actress who once dated Elon Musk and shared a large portfolio of opulent homes around the world with Johnny Depp during their marriage from 2015 to 2017, now primarily resides in Yucca Valley, a small town in the Mojave Desert of California, 120 miles east of Los Angeles. The rural area is 200 kilometers east of Los Angeles and is situated in the stunningly bleak Mojave Desert. However, you won't find many A-list celebrities there. Although there are only 22,000 people living there, the area is well known for its art scene and for being close to well-known locations like Joshua Tree, Coachella, and Palm Springs. Even though Heard's name is missing from the transfer, further analysis discovered numerous hints that all point to a single property. A home that is currently owned by an enigmatic trust that has definite connections to Heard. In early 2019, a trust paid $570,000 to acquire the 6-area estate quietly. This was around a year before the coronavirus pandemic drove up the price of desert homes. So it's safe to guess the property is now worth a lot more than the 2019 estimate. Yucca Valley, a hamlet of 20,000 inhabitants, is situated deep within the San Bernardino County in California. However, the community is also 55 miles east of San Bernardino and 27 miles north of Palm Springs. And of course, the Twitter community couldn't keep their calm when they came to know of all this. A user on Twitter had something of this nature to say: "I think it's hypocritical of Amber Heard to claim she has no money to pay Johnny Depp and the charities she used for clout, but can afford a YSL purse, a private jet, PR team, and a $22K a month mansion." Another user promptly added her take for the same matter. For a person who can't pay dying children, can't pay her debt to the person she abused, Amber Heard sure is living large, flying a private jet and renting a mansion. While there were others who had similar things to add to the matter, they said, "Amber Heard is not broke. Cash is not a gauge of net worth. Amber can sell cars she owns, gobs of jewelry, the mansion she bought in the desert, etc., etc., etc. She purposefully bought the expensive house to rid herself of cash. She owes Depp $12 million or so. Pay up, B, pay up." Amber Heard gets to keep her role in Aquaman 2, despite terrible chemistry with the lead actor, stays in a $23,000 per month mansion during the trial, and a week after the verdict, travels in a private jet and XUV. That's her power. This is how institutions protect and enable abusers. Heard reportedly stayed in the lap of luxury with her family during the whole of the trial, defying assertions made by her legal team that she was experiencing financial difficulties. According to reports, the actress rented a 13,000 square foot property in McLean, Virginia, a quiet suburb of Washington, D.C., which is 25 minutes from the Fairfax County Courthouse, where her 6-week trial took place. The mansion has a tennis court, a home theater, 8 bedrooms, and 2 grand staircases in the foyer. It also stands on an acre of land. one of the most unique and private mansions available in McLean, according to a listing on Zillow, boasts a 2-story grand foyer with an amazing double-curved staircase, a true wow and a dream for any buyer. The Twitter users were not at all amused when they came to know of all this. A user tweeted, "Amber Heard claims poverty. Elaine Brendanoff claims poverty. That her client can't afford to appeal or pay the judgment after a unanimous jury found her to have defamed Johnny Depp. Yet she can take a private plane across the country. The lies never end." Amber Heard is a liar. How did she afford a private plane and chauffeured limousine if she's so broke? Another user tweeted out of rage. From 2015 to 2017, Johnny Depp and Amber Heard were wed in what was reportedly a tumultuous union. Since their breakup, they've been in and out of court. She penned an opinion piece in which she claimed to have experienced domestic violence, which led to their most recent, widely reported trial. Depp filed a defamation lawsuit, and during the recent broadcast coverage, a number of witnesses came forward to speak about the details of their private lives. Depp and Heard each took the witness stand in turn, making a number of quite serious accusations against the other. Throughout the trial, themes of drug use and domestic violence persisted, but there was also frequently a lighter, circus-like atmosphere, as members of the audience watched and debated issues like who peed in the bed, what one expert was doing with his mouth, and how loud a witness farted. In the end, the jury rendered a verdict mostly in his favor and gave him $15 million in damages, which Virginia law automatically reduced to $10.3 million. In her countersuit, the judge generally found against her, but on one defamation claim involving remarks made by Depp's previous lawyer, they found in her favor. She received a $2 million award, which ultimately amounts to $8.3 million. There will probably be more court cases between these two in the future, but it's not yet clear what will happen next. Expect to see a lot of media coverage whenever there is progress, with at least one site presumably trying to calculate the costs of her rental home once more. That's it from our side. Now it's your turn to let us know about your opinion on this matter. Do you think Amber Heard is as broke as she and her lawyer claim for her to be? Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more updates.